Jogo makena choganda Mombasa obono mar bago ng'anyo maratipo ka koro gidwaro ng'eyo adieri ewi gino mano okelo tho marawera manyinge Simon Warui etesendo obila ma Central Mombasa eyo mapoko yangore maler. Gikoni nyaka sani obila poko wuok oko mar chiwo ler ewi gino mane okelo tho marawera no. Joja oko nigiler koya Mombasa.
Jogo makedo ne ratich oganda Mombasa ne kawuono jochopo e tesendo obila ma Central mar chwalo ng'ur margi ewi tho rawera midendo ni Simon Warui mane owito ngimane e tesendno mar obila chieng' tich adek juma mokalo. Gikone nyaka sani obila pok owuok oko ayanga mar chiwo ler ewi gino mane okelo tho rawera no e tesendo obila Mombasa kata obedo ni ne odak Nairobi.
Up to now, from last week Wednesday when Warui died, up to now they have not uttered any word even to the media. They have not told the public what transpired, how Warui got himself into Mombasa.
We've attempted to get the CCTV footages of Simon Warui getting into Central Police, leaving Central Police, but all this has not been possible in the name of investigations are going on. As my colleague has said, it is their silence that is worrying Kenyans.
Munamfungia alafu munasema ati alipanda ukuta na akaruka akafa. We suspect that there is foul play na ndio maana tunataka majibu kamili. Tunataka majibu kamili kutoka kwa Inspector General, tuelezwe kivipi Warui alifika katika police station na akapanda ukuta na akakufa.
Moko kuom penjo magin godo en kaka rawera no mikoni ne olala apoya nono chieng' Jumapile boma ma Nairobi ne ochopo Mombasa mochwe otho e tesendo obila.
How did Simon Warui disappear? Was he arrested? Did he just disappear by himself? Number two, how did Simon Warui get to Mombasa? He's a resident of Nairobi. How did he get to Mombasa? Number three, once in Mombasa, how did he end up at Central Police Station? And number four, very, very important, how did he lose his life?
Tuliona kifo cha Albert Ojwang kilifanyika Central. Kifo cha Warui kimefanyika Central. Na ukiangalia pattern ile ya Ojwang, wanasema alijigonga kwa ukuta. Katika pattern hii ya Central Mombasa, inaonekana alipanda ukuta. Wao wanasema hivyo. So hizi ukuta ambazo ziko katika Central Police, kama ingekuwa zinaweza kuzungumza zingetueleza.
Hivi matukio ya watu kufa katika seli za police station zimetia hofu. Hii itaongeza pia watu waweze kuresist arrest wakijua kwamba wakienda police station hawana uhakika wa maisha yao, na hii itaongeza incidences za insecurity katika nchi ya Kenya.
Luoro margi en ni kwan jogo matho e tesende mag obila mapacho ka kidek medore kadiponi obila biro rem chiwo ler ewi gino makelo tho makamago. Ne bende gichiwo siem mar ndalo abiro ne obila mondo mi ochiw ler ewi tho rawerano, maka kamano to gibiro bago ng'anyo maratipo mar dwaro ng'eyo adieri mantiere.
We are going to invoke Article 37. We are going to conduct a very massive demonstration to condemn and to seek justice for Simon Warui.
We will peacefully demonstrate, we will protest, and we will demand that killings in police stations must end now.
Na pia tutaenda kotini, IG na OCS wawe responsible kwa kifo ile cha marehemu, unless watupatie sababu muafaka ambazo zimewatoa kwamba wao hawana lawama na hawahusiki na kifo cha Warui.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Emana bende dibedo misema twak marodhi wa makawone twak marama impenya kwa mga juangute thieth mag jigiwegi kod maglamo.